Hello everybody. So today I've got an exercise that's going to take a hemiola, which is a pattern, I'll just break it down to a sticking for you. So we're going to create a group of 3 against 2. So what's going to happen is, let's assume that my right hand is the group of 3. My left hand's going to be a group of 2. This could be triplets versus eighth notes. This could be time signature 3 versus time signature 2. But here's what we're going to do. Let's think about like a sticking. So we're going to think about it like together, right, left, right, and then repeat. So that's going to be this doing 3, this doing 2. And I've described this before in another video, so this lesson is not about this particular exercise. A little bit faster, I'll play this on the rim so you can hear the difference. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we got 2 different feels, 2 different rhythms. Here's what we're going to do with it as an exercise is, and I'll play it over between these 2 things, is what you're going to do is you're going to start off with one measure where the right hand's going to do the 3, your left does the 2, and then you swap. So let's start with that. So it'll be 2, 3, 4, and then switch. So the sticking, right, together. So it's going to be together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, and then together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left. Like so. The next step is going to be then, and you can do this as a pyramid, I'm just going to abbreviate it. So the next will be 2 and 2. So you have 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4. And the whole point is really this is a brain exercise so that your brain can get used to the coordinations. And then here's the final, and this is my favorite one. And this is going to be 1 and 1. So essentially your right hand's doing, your left hand's doing, and you're doing them together. So you got so the sticking is together, right, left, right, together, left, right, left. Let's see what that sounds like over here. Let's see. Which, if I had to play that by itself and think about that pattern, it'd be really weird. So sometimes it's all in how you think about things. So anyway, that last one, once again, together, right, left, together, left, right, left. You can apply this between your hands and your feet. You could apply it between your feet and your feet. In case you've got 4 feet, no, I mean like 1 foot and the other foot. So this doesn't have to be just between your hands. So you can do bass drum and your hand. You can do your bass drum in your left hand if you wanted to. So there's many ways to do this. There's lots of things we can do. This is just a basic step. But as an exercise, try that sticking out. So you can do 4 and then 4. You could do 3 and 3, 2, 2, 1, 1 if you want to. We did 4, 2, 1. We skipped the 3. You could do paradiddles. So you could do right, left, right. So let's try that. Let's see what happened. So it was a right, left, left, with counting the triplet or the group of 3 as that. So anyway, that's the exercise. Have fun with it. Use it as a launching pad. There's a lot more we can do with this, but this is just the main part of it. Any problems, questions, concerns, let me know. See you next time.